Hello, I'm Joan, and this is Con Law by Mark Giminez. It's a terrific thriller. Professor John Bookman is a tenured professor at the State University of Texas, and he's an expert in constitutional law who's often talked about as being a candidate for the Supreme Court. He's also a bit of a maverick. He's 35, really good looking, rides a Harley, he's a bit of an expert in karate, and he takes on cases for the underdog. One day he gets a letter from an ex-intern who says that he's working for a large law firm and one of their clients is involved in exploring for oil and gas and is busy polluting the aquifer with the fracking fluids that they're using while they do it. So our professor gets on his bike with his new young female intern, and off they head to the town of Marfa. When they get there, they find that the intern's been murdered the day before, and so things go from bad to worse and they're there to try and figure out what happened. But the town of Marfa is worth a mention in itself because in some ways it becomes a character in the book. I googled it while I was reading and discovered that it is an actual town in Texas, population of about 2,000 people, famous for art installation, for movies. The movie Giant with James Dean and Liz Taylor and Rock Hudson was filmed there, and more recently No Country for Old Men and There Will Be Blood. So it's a wonderful package because our professor in this really interesting little town in Texas turned on quite a story, and I believe that it's the first in the series. I'm really waiting for the next one.